If you've ever bought frozen fries, chicken wings, or snacks hoping for that crispy restaurant-style texture, only to end up with greasy food or an oven that takes forever to cook, you're not alone. Many people want healthier meals without sacrificing flavor, but finding an affordable air fryer that actually delivers can be surprisingly difficult. That's exactly why this product caught my attention. Today we're taking a closer look at the Deime 7.2 quart air fryer. This model is designed for families, busy professionals, students, apartment dwellers, and anyone looking for a healthier way to cook everyday meals with less oil. It promises large capacity cooking, simple operation, and versatile functionality at a price that won't break the bank. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing you'll notice is its modern design. The black finish looks clean and contemporary without feeling overly flashy. The touchscreen control panel gives it a more premium appearance than many budget air fryers, and the built-in cooking light is a surprisingly useful feature. Instead of opening the basket repeatedly to check your food, you can quickly monitor progress through the viewing area, helping maintain consistent cooking temperatures. In terms of build quality, the Deime feels solid for its category. The basket slides smoothly, the controls respond quickly, and the overall construction feels durable enough for regular daily use. One feature that stands out is the square basket design. It may not sound exciting, but it provides more usable cooking space compared to many round baskets. In practical terms, that means fitting more food into a single batch, which is especially helpful for families or meal prep sessions. Performance is where this air fryer earns most of its value. The 360-degree hot air circulation system does a good job of creating crispy textures while using very little oil. French fries come out golden, chicken wings develop a satisfying crunch, and vegetables roast evenly with minimal effort. While it won't completely replicate deep-fried results, it gets surprisingly close for everyday home cooking. The cooking presets are particularly helpful for beginners. Whether you're preparing fries, pizza, chicken, or reheating leftovers, the one-touch programs simplify the process and reduce guesswork. For more experienced cooks, manual controls allow temperature and time adjustments to fine-tune results. This flexibility makes the Deime approachable for new users while still offering enough customization for those who enjoy experimenting in the kitchen. One thing I appreciate is how naturally this appliance fits into a daily routine. It heats quickly, cooks efficiently, and doesn't require constant attention. Noise levels are typical for an air fryer and never become distracting. Cleanup is equally straightforward. The non-stick basket and removable rack make washing up quick, even after cooking foods that normally leave behind grease and residue. Of course, no product is perfect. While the 7.2 quart capacity is generous for most households, very large families may still need multiple cooking batches for bigger meals. The touch controls work well, but they don't feel quite as premium as some higher-end models. Additionally, if you're looking for advanced features like app connectivity or smart home integration, this model focuses more on simplicity than technology. Compared to similarly priced options from brands like Chefman, Ultrean, and entry-level Cosori models, the Deime offers a strong combination of cooking capacity, ease of use, and value. It may not have every premium feature available, but it covers the essentials remarkably well while keeping the price accessible. Overall, the Deime 7.2 quart air fryer is best suited for people who want healthier cooking, larger batch capacity, and user-friendly controls without spending premium-level money. It solves several common kitchen frustrations and does so in a straightforward, practical way. If you're looking for an affordable air fryer that can help you prepare crispy, healthier meals with less effort, the Deime is definitely worth considering. If this review helped you make a decision, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more honest product reviews, and check the link in the description for current pricing and availability before any promotions change.